We've all seen the massive automated SEO audits generated by a push of a button. They're 100 pages long, packed with technical jargon, and whether you're sending them in a cold pitch or trying to decipher them for your own website, they usually go straight to the trash. The problem is analysis paralysis. Instead of drowning in data, we are going to distill the noise into a one-page priority matrix that maps out clear, actionable business steps. You only need 3 things to do this: access to Google Search Console, a site crawler like Ubersuggest, and a blank spreadsheet. We are not trying to log every minor broken link or missing alt text. We are hunting for the few specific bottlenecks that actively hold back your traffic and revenue. Step 1 is the content sweep. We start in Google Search Console, looking for immediate wins that require 0 new content creation. Under the Performance tab, filter your data to show pages that receive high impressions, meaning thousands of people see them in the search results, but have a click-through rate of under 2 or 3%. These pages are already ranking on page 1 or 2, but users are continuously scrolling right past them. To fix this, you simply rewrite the title tag and meta description so they actually answer the user's specific search intent. Next, we look for keyword cannibalization. This happens when 2 or more pages on your exact same website compete for the exact same search term. When you write multiple articles on the same topic, you force Google to guess which one is the most relevant. This splits your page authority and usually results in neither page ranking well. In this data table, you can see 2 URLs capturing traffic for the exact same query. To fix this, merge the smaller article into the main authoritative pillar page and set up a redirect. Take note of these low click-through rate URLs and cannibalized pages, and log them directly into your blank spreadsheet. Resolving these specific conflicts lets you recapture lost traffic immediately, utilizing the authority your site already has rather than writing net new articles from scratch. Now we move to step 2, the technical triage. Open Ubersuggest and initiate a site audit crawl. This tool will scan hundreds of pages in minutes and likely return a massive, overwhelming list of red warning flags. Do not try to analyze and fix every single minor error it flags. Filter this list to show only the critical errors. We are isolating the highest impact structural roadblocks, like broken internal links and missing meta tags. Within these errors, check your core web vitals for 2 specific metrics: largest contentful paint, which measures how long it takes your main visual content to load, and interaction to next paint, which tracks how fast the site responds when a user clicks a button. If your site takes 4 seconds to load or freezes when a user taps a link, Google applies algorithmic penalties. Clearing these specific architectural failures ensures that your content actually gets the search visibility it earns. Step 3 is translation. We take the raw data gathered in your spreadsheet and format it into the presentation layer. This chart shows our 3-column framework. The first column is impact, the potential benefit to your organic search rankings. The second column is effort, estimating the technical resources required to apply the fix. The final column is priority. Mapping impact against effort dictates your exact sequence of execution. For example, combining those competing articles is logged as high impact, low effort, and priority 1. This format organizes technical problems into a prioritized roadmap, showing exactly which task to start with and how it impacts the bottom line. You've now taken hundreds of raw data points and condensed them into a single, actionable page, identifying exactly which fixes will yield the fastest results. If you are auditing your own website, your next step is to hand this exact matrix to a developer so they can execute the high-impact, low-effort tasks today. And if you are a freelancer, sliding this customized matrix across a desk or sending it to a prospect immediately proves your strategic value, setting you apart from the generic cold emails they delete every week. Spending your time on these verified priorities leads to faster rankings than a 100-page report ever could. Subscribe to the channel, gather your tools, and